I'm Khanh for the Developer Show. This is your weekly update on the coolest developer news from Google. Starting with Firebase, we're introducing 3 new features to Firestore. Let's start with number 1. You asked for the count of all documents that match a query without downloading all the documents of that query. Well, a count aggregate function is now available in web, Android, iOS, and Node.js. Number 2, Firestore now has improved scaling capabilities. No maximum reads per second, no maximum writes per second, no maximum concurrent real-time connections. And finally, number 3, Firestore now has preview support for time to live, TTL policies that delete data after a specified time. For sample code and more info on these new Firestore features, check out the Firebase blog, link down below. Jumping on over to the web browser side of things, passkey support is now available in Chrome Stable M108. Passkeys are a significantly safer replacement for passwords and other phishable authentication factors. They cannot be reused, don't leak in server breaches, and protect users from phishing attacks. You can use passkeys to sign into sites and apps that support them. Signing in with a passkey will require you to authenticate yourself in the same way that you unlock a device. With the latest version of Chrome, we're enabling passkeys on Windows 11, macOS, and Android. Check out the Chromium blog post to learn more. In TensorFlow land, we're introducing SimpleML for Sheets. SimpleML is an add-on, currently in beta, for Google Sheets from the TensorFlow team. Anyone, even people without programming or ML expertise, can experiment and apply the power of machine learning to their data in Google Sheets with just a few clicks. Even if you already know how to train and use machine learning models, SimpleML in Sheets can help make your life even easier. For instance, training, evaluating, interpreting, and exporting a model to a notebook takes only 5 clicks and as little as 10 seconds. For more info on SimpleML for Sheets, including a tutorial on how to use it, check out the announcement blog post. And finally, over to Google Cloud. Back in September, we launched the Google Maps Platform Hackathon on DevPost. Over 2,600 participants spanning 100+ countries joined to build something they're passionate about and created unique experiences using Google Maps Platform. Congratulations to all the winners, and thanks to all the participants and judges that made this hackathon one to remember. To see all the winning projects, take a gander at the Google Cloud blog post. To learn more about all of this week's stories, make sure to check the description box below for all the links. This is the last Dev Show of the year, so please remember to like, subscribe, share, and stay safe. I'm Khanh for the Developer Show. Happy holidays. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in 2023. Can this be my buddy? My buddy. This is festive spirit, right? I don't know. I'm not totally sure here.